Hello, Panthers. This is lesson 2 from the Western Expansion Unit. This lesson has 4 parts and also an extension activity. The first part is called See, Think, Wonder. The second part is called Reading a Map. The third part is all about the Lewis and Clark expedition. There's a See the Teacher section, and then there's a movie extension that you could watch if you're interested in finding out more information about the Lewis and Clark expedition. For the See, Think, Wonder activity, you're going to be shown a map, an image, and you want to maybe have a timer handy, but you want to spend 30 seconds just looking at the map or image, and you're going to type what you see in this box. Try to be as detailed. Sometimes students like to make a list of things they see. Then you're going to set your timer again for 30 seconds, and you're just going to think, and you're going to process about what you've seen in the image and what you think the purpose of the image is, or what the image is trying to convey to people, or maybe why the image was made, when the image was made, who would have made the image, anything like that. The final section is I wonder, and this is you asking questions or thinking about the map or the image. The image chosen for this activity is a neat image because it not only connects to what we're learning in this lesson, but also tomorrow's lesson. Okay, and I'm going to try to scroll down pretty quick so you don't see it. There we go. That was good. That was quick. Hopefully you didn't see it. The next section is called Reading a Map, and this particular unit deals with the growth and expansion of the United States. So during this time period, people were moving west. They were building things that were allowing people to move west, like overland trails, railroads, canals, not necessarily in that order. And new territories were being added, new natural resources were being found, lots of new inventions. So during this time period, the geography changes. Okay, and in this activity, you're going to start off by looking at a map of North America in 1750. Of course, that's before the American Revolution. And to answer these questions here, you really have to look very closely at the maps. You have to look very closely at the key or legend of the map, too, to make sense and answer the questions to the best of your ability. Then you're going to go down to a map from 1763. This was during the French and Indian War. That, of course, was the war between England and France over the territory in North America. Remember, the French and the Indians were allied against the colonists and the British in that war. Then you're going to be looking at a map that was created after the American Revolution in 1783. That's when the British surrendered to George Washington and the Continental Army at Yorktown. So this map shows what the country looked like at its very beginning. The next map shows the United States from 1803 to 1810. This is the first 7 years of Western expansion. So again, analyze the different colored arrows, the different shaded colors and what they mean, and then answer the questions to the best of your ability. Okay. Once you're finished with this activity, you're going to then learn about a phenomenon that's something that occurs once and usually doesn't happen again. That occurred during the early years of Western expansion called the Louisiana Purchase and the Lewis and Clark Expedition. And these things took place between 1803 and 1805. You should already have some experience with these topics from our First 5 Presidents unit when you studied Thomas Jefferson. For this activity, you're going to be analyzing some text. And you're going to click on the text for the History Alive lesson. I believe there's 2 pages of text that you're going to use. You're going to be filling in some blanks, answering some questions in complete sentences here. There's 9 questions total. And specifically, you want to try to quote the text if you can. That means you write a sentence starter, you find the specific answer in the text and quote it for questions 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. When you're finished with all 3 of these activities, you can go to the See the Teacher section and hear more about the answers and check some of the work that you did. And finally, the last thing that there is for this lesson is a movie extension. So if you have time this week and you're inclined to learn more about the Lewis and Clark expedition, you can click on this link and watch the movie Lewis and Clark: The Great Journey West. This is a neat movie that's narrated by Jeff Bridges, and in the film, a lot of the journals that Lewis and Clark kept from their expedition are read directly to you by actors, and it kind of dramatizes a lot of the experiences they had, and it's about 45 minutes to an hour long, and I think it's worth your time if this is a topic you're interested in. Have a great learning day.